Top 3 Best Full Coverage Car Insurance in Georgia. In Georgia, full coverage feels like peace of mind right up until the first real claim. A storm-damaged car, a not-at-fault crash, or a repair shop that suddenly needs approvals. That's when the company matters more than the quote. Here's the twist. Two policies can look identical on paper, but only one makes the next 48 hours feel clear and controlled. I'll tell you the simplest way to spot that winner at the end. How I picked these 3. I focused on real-life claims flow, not catchy discounts. That means getting help fast, keeping repairs moving, and having coverage options that fit normal Georgia driving without turning into a phone call marathon. I also looked at the experience you'll actually feel, how easy it is to manage changes, how support behaves when you're stressed, and whether full coverage can scale with your life instead of forcing a messy switch later. Rank 3, Geico, the fast, no drama choice. If you want a clean, mostly self-serve experience, Geico is a strong pick for Georgia drivers who like quick control. It's built for people who want to handle policy changes without long conversations and keep things moving when life is busy. This is ideal for commuters and everyday drivers who value speed and simplicity more than having a dedicated person on the phone. The honest nuance is that the experience can feel hands-off if you want guidance during a complicated claim. If you're comfortable managing details digitally, it's a practical, efficient option. Rank 2, State Farm, the local agent safety net.
If you want a real person to call when the situation gets confusing, State Farm stands out.
In Georgia, that agent relationship can matter when you're juggling repairs, rental questions, and the stress that comes with not knowing what happens next. This is a strong fit for families, multi-car households, and anyone who values human support instead of pure DIY. The honest nuance is simple. The experience can vary by agent. A great agent makes the process feel calm. A weak one can make you feel like you're still chasing answers. Rank 1. Auto Owners, the coverage first winner.
For many Georgia drivers who care about full coverage that holds up when things get real, Auto Owners often wins on day-to-day confidence.
The advantage is how it's typically structured around working with independent agents, which can create a more hands-on feel without turning everything into a corporate maze. This is ideal if you want strong protection with a guided setup, especially if you'd rather build the policy carefully now than argue later during a claim. The honest nuance is that it's not a click and forget brand. You'll get the best result by being specific about your vehicle, your driving, and what you actually want protected. When you do that, this option tends to feel steady when the stress hits. The one question that makes the best choice obvious.
Here's the test I promised,
and it cuts through price shopping instantly. If you have a crash tonight, do you know exactly how the claim moves from reported to repairs approved without you doing detective work? That single experience is what good insurance really means. Choose Geico if you want fast digital control and minimal friction. Choose State Farm if you want local guidance and a person to call.
Choose Auto Owners if you want coverage confidence with an agent-led setup that's built to hold up when the claim is the whole story.
And don't forget to check the description for helpful resources that will make things easier. If you found this useful, hit like and subscribe for more.